For today's entree, we recommend preparing this quick and easy meatballs with sour cream. Grate 1 medium-sized onion in a large bowl. Cut the garlic into tiny bits. Add the garlic to the bowl. Add the ground meat, salt, and pepper. Add mixed spices. Crack 1 egg and put it in the bowl. Take the bread and by hand divide it into tiny bits. Put it in a bowl with water to soak in. Once it has soaked in all the water, take it out and squeeze the water out of the bread. Add the bread to the bowl. Start mixing the ingredients by hand. Once all the ingredients are all mixed up together nicely, start making meatballs. Crack and mix the remaining 4 eggs. Add sour cream while mixing. In a preheated pan with water, add the rice. Start frying the meatballs. Once they're done, put them on a plate. Once the rice has boiled nicely, take out the water. Put the rice in the pan with the onion. Start frying the rice in a preheated, oiled-up pan. Add mixed spices and mix. Take another pan and spray some oil on the surface. Add the meatballs. Add the rice in between the meatballs. Coat with the eggs and sour cream mixture. Put in oven and let it bake for 20 minutes at 395 Fahrenheit. Serve 3 pieces of meatballs on a plate. Decorate with red peppers and carrots. Decorate with French parsley as well. The estimated time you'd need to prepare this dish is about 60 minutes. Bon appetit!